This is the new Oraimo Burna SpacePods, but it looks very familiar. Yep, it looks like the Oraimo FreePods 4. Design-wise, it's exactly the same. Both the case and the earbuds are the same. The difference is the color and the texture of the Oraimo SpacePods. Now, inside the box, we get the SpacePods, a note from Burna Boy himself. Music is inspirational, sounds are infinite, and like water, it has no enemy. Music lifts and heals a broken spirit. I've experienced it, and now so will you. Blessings. Uh, we also get a manual, Type-C cable for charging, and additional ear tips. All this will cost you 39,000 naira, but of course you can get a discount when you use the discount code found in the video description. You can go check it out. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Oraimo SpacePods and showing you guys what's different from the Oraimo FreePods 4. So let's get into it. My name is UD, I talk about tech. Let's shoot. We are really close to 10,000 subscribers, so if you are new to our channel or you are not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers. Also like the video as well, as it helps YouTube to show our video to a wider audience. Thank you. Now, like I mentioned earlier, if you want to buy any Oraimo product, simply use the coupon code found in the video description below during the checkout process, and don't worry about any limitations. You can use the code multiple times, as many times as you like, as the code is valid for multiple uses. You can also find the code in the pinned comment. So the Oraimo SpacePods have this rough pattern inspired by lunar landscape, something from outer space, and I like it. In my opinion, it looks better than the Oraimo FreePods 4. We see the Oraimo branding right up top and the Type-C port at the back, just like the FreePods 4. Now the earbuds have a matte finish, which is different from the FreePods 4 that is just regular glossy plastic. So the SpacePods will end up looking better in the long run. We also get Burna Boy branding on the stem of the Oraimo SpacePods. Look at how cool that is. The Burna Boy branding is also inside the case of the Oraimo SpacePods. Both the SpacePods and the FreePods 4 have IPX5 waterproof and sweat protection. They both have the same battery of 35 hours of music playback. They can both fit inside each other's cases. They both work with the Oraimo Sound app. They both have the pop-up notification. They even both have active noise cancellation and transparency mode. Even the sound quality is identical on both. But what we do get with the Oraimo SpacePods is the whole Burna Boy experience. Instead of the regular Bluetooth voice that is on the Oraimo FreePods 4, on the Oraimo SpacePods we have Burna Boy's voice.
Transparency, noise cancellation.
Also, we get the premium equalizer preset. So Burna Boy and the Oraimo audio team work together to create this tuning mode, giving you a unique experience of music depth and richness. At the time of making this video, the Oraimo FreePods 4 will cost you 27,000 naira, while the SpacePods will cost 39,000 naira. So if you want that premium unique design and the whole Burna Boy experience, that will cost you more. But it's really dope though. Now there is this Moonlight edition which has a ring light around it. I heard Oraimo only made 20 of these. So if you want to be that exclusive, just own one of 20. That will cost you 200,000 naira. So how bad do you want it? Regardless of which earbud you are buying or really any Oraimo product, you can use the coupon code in the video description or the pinned comment to enjoy a discount. Just apply the coupon code during the checkout process, and yeah. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We are so close to 10,000 subscribers, so please subscribe. And yeah, my name is UD. This is udishoots. Thank you so much for watching, and you'd see me in my next video.
That's the life of a city boy. Oh yeah, demo. Oh yeah, jello. Oh yeah, jọ̀wọ́ ó yẹ kẹ́ yẹ ó yẹ kẹ́ dé ó yẹ kẹ́ bàbá ike bá kọ̀ she no dey take kọ́lá tẹ̀dá kan.